guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sanvia, and today I will be filming my daily makeup routine. It's really simple, not that hard, just the basics, but how I do it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this video. But before all of that, if you're new here, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go like and comment on this video too. I would love to hear from you guys. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next clip. So if you didn't know, I do wear glasses. I am as blind as a bat. If any of my videos you see the mirror too close, or you just see me wandering off, it's because I can't see. Or if you see me squinting, it's because I can't see. I am as blind as a bat. Trying to find my makeup while I don't have my glasses on is literally the worst thing ever. So first, I'm gonna start off by taking these hair clips and flip my hair back so it's out of my face. I'm gonna bring you guys in so I can show you guys how I do my eyebrows exactly. Okay, so are you guys ready to see my eyes? 1, 2, 3. Bruh. I know you guys see these bags. They're really bad, but we're just gonna ignore that and move on with the rest of the video. For my eyebrow, I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just gonna take angled brush. Well, first, before that, I'm just gonna take this spoolie and just brush my hairs through. And then I'm gonna take this angled brush with product on it, and I'm just gonna run it through my eyebrows. Not in any kind of way or nothing like that, just to like fill in my eyebrows. And you can see like it's already making a big difference. I'm gonna go in with some more product, just try to fill in the top of my eyebrow, and just like that. I like to do my eyebrows to fill in the gaps in it and just to make it look more full overall. And I'm just taking this spoolie and brushing through the front so that it's not harsh or anything like that. And I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrow hair once again and take the same brush with some product on it, and I'll just speed you guys through it. You sit down, concealer in the shade Bisque, but I'm just taking the concealer on a different brush so it's a little bit more precise. And I'm just gonna arch my eyebrow a little bit and line it. And I'm just gonna take some more concealer on the same brush and do the same thing to the other brow. Now I'm just gonna take Glassy detailed tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer that I applied under my eyebrows so that it's not harsh. And now I'm just gonna take any brown shade that you have that you would like to use on your eyebrows. So I will be taking my brown shade on the same brush I used before to fill them in with the brow pomade. Just fill it in a little bit more where I might have missed some spots or where I see that I need some more color. Like the cool blue light. Now like I will the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in the shade Soft Brown. It's a little bit light for my eyebrows, but it's the only thing I have right now to keep my eyebrows together, so we're just gonna use it. I like this brow gel. I just wish it was my shade. And there are my eyebrows. So now I'm starting off with a bare face, and nothing is on my face. To prep the skin, I will be taking the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. This is really good. I use it all the time. Probably seen it in like a million of my videos, but it's just that good. And I recommend if you have dry skin or you just like a glossy, dewy base, highly recommend it. And it leaves your skin feeling like really nice and refreshed. After I use Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm, I take the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I will be taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. This is really good. It's not like a foundation, so it doesn't sit on your face where it feels like cakey or thick. So I will be applying this to my face just with my finger. I just like to dot it where I need it. Typically on my face, I use about 2 pumps. First, I'm gonna be taking... Babe, can you turn Cardi B down a little bit? So before I go in with my beauty blender, I'm gonna be taking this foundation brush just to spread it evenly on my skin. My friend gifted me for Christmas a set of brushes. Shout out to Tay. So now I will be taking my wet beauty blender, blending it into my skin a little bit more. Now I will be taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 18. This is a really good concealer. It's not really my shade right now. When I purchased it, it was the summer. So on the sides, I will be taking the same concealer I used for my eyebrows. Back into my face, I will be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just using it as like a cream contour. Just draw some lines here and there where you would normally contour. Do a little bit on my nose and on the sides of my chin just because I like to emphasize it. Now I'll be taking this angled brush and I'll just be blending it out. You always want to blend your contour up and not down. So typically, I like to do my contour before my concealer, but I completely forgot I was even doing this. We're just gonna go with the order we're doing now. I will be using a cream blush, Balm Cream Lip and Cheek Stain. As it reads, you can use this on your lips and on your cheek. I'll be taking my beauty blender and I'll be blending it out. It just leaves a really nice color to the cheeks. So for highlight, I will be taking the Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in Gilded Honey. This is a really good highlight. And I'll just be taking this small little brush, swirling it around the product and just putting it to where I would apply my highlight. And then I will be setting my face with the same spray I used in the beginning. First, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I will be going in with the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. So now I have my mascara on, I have all my face on, so now it's time to move on to lips. For a lip liner, I will be taking the Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Noble. And I'll be starting off with nothing on my lips. And now I'm going to be going in with the same cheek tint I used and just dot a little applicator brush for lipstick and just kind of rubbing it in. Usually I'll add gloss, but I don't have my gloss on me today. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you go like and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for more videos, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!